The first 15 minutes after you wake up dictate your entire relationship with your dog. What you do in those minutes literally changes the chemical makeup of their brain for the rest of the day. Most owners rush through it, and that is silently creating distance. But if you do these 10 things every morning, your dog will bond with you for life. The calm awakening. The very first mistake most owners make happens before their feet even hit the floor. You wake up, see your dog wagging their tail, and you immediately match their energy. You say, "Good morning," in a high-pitched, excited voice. You roughhouse with them on the bed. You get them completely wound up within seconds of opening their eyes. This seems like love, but it is actually a psychological error. When a dog sleeps, their cortisol levels drop to their lowest point of the 24-hour cycle. Their nervous system is completely at rest. By immediately spiking their excitement, you are flooding their brain with adrenaline. You are teaching them that mornings mean chaos. A dog that starts the day at a level 10 excitement will struggle to settle down for the rest of the day. Instead, you must practice the calm awakening. When you wake up, keep your voice low and soft. Move slowly. Acknowledge them with a gentle stroke on the chest or the side of the neck. Do not pat them on the head, as this can be perceived as dominant and stimulating. Speak in a calm, soothing tone. This teaches your dog that your presence brings peace, not chaos. It establishes you as a grounded, stable leader right from the start. The oxytocin gaze. Once you are both awake, there is a specific action you need to take that is backed by profound scientific research. In 2015, a groundbreaking study was published in the journal Science by Dr. Takefumi Nagasawa. The researchers discovered something incredible about the way dogs and humans interact. When a dog and their owner look into each other's eyes, both of their brains release a massive surge of oxytocin. Oxytocin is the love hormone. It is the exact same chemical that bonds a human mother to her newborn infant. And dogs are the only animal on Earth that have hijacked this human biological pathway. Not even wolves, the dog's closest ancestor, do this. But it only works if the gaze is soft and relaxed. Every morning, before you start your tasks, sit on the floor or on the edge of the bed. Bring your face down closer to their level. Wait for them to look at you. When they do, hold their gaze with soft, relaxed eyes for just 3 to 5 seconds. Do not stare them down, as a hard stare is a threat in canine language. Just a soft, gentle connection. This simple 3-second action floods both of your systems with bonding hormones, setting a foundation of deep trust for the day ahead. The scent reconnection. We are visual creatures, so we greet each other by looking and waving. Dogs are olfactory creatures. They greet the world through their nose. During the night, while you were asleep, the scent profile of your house changed. Your scent changed. To a dog, waking up is like reading the morning news, and they need to verify that everything is still safe and familiar. Many owners push their dog away when the dog comes in close to sniff their face or their breath in the morning. We think it is annoying or invasive. But to your dog, this is a critical security check. They are reading your chemical state. They are checking your cortisol levels to see if you are stressed. They are checking your breath to see what you ate. They are verifying your identity. Allow them to do this. Give them 10 seconds to thoroughly sniff your hands, your face, or your clothes. Do not pull away. By allowing this scent reconnection, you are speaking their language. You are telling them that you have nothing to hide and that the pack is secure. The tactile massage. Physical touch is a powerful bonding tool, but most owners do it wrong. We tend to pat our dogs quickly and heavily. We scratch behind their ears for 2 seconds and move on. But to truly bond, you need to engage the parasympathetic nervous system. This is the part of the nervous system responsible for rest and digestion. Every morning, dedicate just 2 minutes to a tactile massage. Use long, slow, deliberate strokes down their spine, from the base of the neck to the base of the tail. Apply gentle, firm pressure. This type of touch mimics the feeling of a mother dog grooming her puppies. It lowers their heart rate, it reduces their blood pressure, and it communicates deep affection in a way that words never can. While you do this, pay attention to their body language. If they lean into your hand, they are asking for more. If they turn away, respect their space. This mutual respect for physical boundaries is the cornerstone of a trusting relationship. The mindful yard time. The morning bathroom break is usually a rushed affair. You open the back door, let them out, and stand there scrolling on your phone, waiting for them to finish so you can get back inside. You are physically present, but mentally absent. Your dog knows the difference. They can feel when you are disconnected. Instead of treating the yard time as a chore, treat it as a shared patrol. Step outside with them. Leave your phone inside. Watch them as they explore the yard. When they stop to sniff a particular patch of grass, stand near them quietly. In the wild, pack members patrol their territory together every morning to ensure it is safe from predators. By standing with them and observing the environment, you are participating in this ancient ritual. You are showing them that you are a team, that you are invested in their security. This shared vigilance builds an incredibly strong, silent bond. The earned breakfast. Food is the ultimate resource. In nature, the leader of the pack controls the resources. But in the modern home, we often just dump a scoop of kibble into a bowl and walk away. This turns you into a vending machine, not a leader. It completely removes the psychological value of the meal. To build a lifelong bond, you must make the morning meal a collaborative event. You do not need to make them perform complex tricks, but you should ask for a simple moment of impulse control. Hold the bowl of food. Ask your dog to sit. Wait for them to make eye contact with you. Do not lower the bowl until they look at your eyes, not the food. This teaches them that all good things come through a connection with you. Once they make eye contact, give them a release word like okay or free and lower the bowl. This tiny moment of structure transforms a mindless meal into a respectful exchange. It reinforces your role as the provider, which makes your dog feel secure and cared for. The micro-play session. You do not have time for a 30-minute game of fetch before work. No one does. But a recent study published in 2026 found something fascinating. Just 10 minutes of interactive play can strengthen the bond between a dog and their owner more effectively than formal obedience training. And it does not even need to be 10 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes of focused, joyful play is enough to spike their dopamine levels. Grab a tug toy or a rope. Engage in a quick game of tug of war. Let them win a few times to build their confidence. Play is the universal language of friendship across all mammalian species. When you play with your dog, you step out of the role of the strict boss and into the role of a companion. You share joy. This brief burst of morning fun burns off the last of their sleep inertia and leaves them feeling fulfilled and happy as you prepare to leave for the day. The mental warm-up. Physical exercise is important, but mental exercise is what truly exhausts and satisfies a dog. A bored dog is an anxious dog. Before you leave for the day, give their brain a quick workout. This can be as simple as taking a handful of their morning kibble and tossing it into the grass in the backyard, forcing them to use their nose to find it, or hiding a few treats around the living room while they wait in the kitchen. This engages their seeking system, a primal neurological circuit that rewards them for solving problems. When you set up these little puzzles, you become the architect of their success. They associate the satisfaction of solving the puzzle with you. It takes exactly 60 seconds to hide a few treats, but it provides them with 10 minutes of intense, focused mental stimulation. They will spend the rest of the morning resting peacefully, rather than pacing the house looking for trouble. The clear departure. The way you leave the house is just as important as the way you wake up. Many owners make the mistake of sneaking out while the dog is distracted, hoping to avoid a sad goodbye. Or worse, they make a massive emotional scene. They hug the dog, use a high-pitched voice, and say, "I am so sorry, I will be back soon, be a good boy." Both of these approaches create severe separation anxiety. Sneaking out breaks their trust, because they suddenly realize you have vanished without warning. The emotional goodbye tells them that your departure is a major, traumatic event to be feared. The perfect departure is calm, clear, and confident. Do not make a big deal out of it. gather your keys and your bag, give your dog one calm stroke on the chest. Say a single, consistent phrase in a normal voice like, "See you later," or "Be good," and walk out the door without looking back. This consistency is crucial. It tells your dog that leaving is a normal, non-threatening part of the daily routine. Your calm confidence transfers to them, allowing them to relax and wait patiently for your return. The consistent promise. The final and most important element of the morning routine is consistency. Doing these things once will not change your relationship. Doing them every single day will rewire your dog's brain. Dogs do not understand the concept of weekends or holidays. They do not know what a Tuesday is. They only know patterns. When you establish a reliable, calm, and connected morning routine, you are making a daily promise to your dog. You are promising that they are safe. You are promising that their needs will be met. You are promising that you are a stable, dependable leader. Over time, this consistency eliminates chronic stress. A dog that knows exactly what to expect every morning does not need to be anxious. They do not need to be hypervigilant. They can simply exist in a state of calm trust. Your mornings do not have to be a rushed, chaotic chore. They can be the foundation of the deepest bond you will ever share with an animal. It only takes an extra 10 minutes to look into their eyes, massage their spine, and share a quiet moment in the yard. But those 10 minutes will echo through the rest of their life. They will look at you differently, they will listen to you more closely, and they will love you more deeply, because you took the time to speak their language. If you want to understand more about how your dog thinks, subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments, what is the very first thing your dog does when they wake up in the morning? We read every single comment. See you in the next video.